Want more room than a pop-up camper without giving up the convenience of a slide-in? This is Qian Camper TP10 second generation, a full hard-side truck camper with a kitchen, a wet bath, a dinette, and a larger Cabover bed. Let's take a tour.
The TP10 second generation is a full hardside sliding truck camper. The body is built around an aluminum alloy frame and uses a 4-layer wall construction. The outer layer is an aluminum alloy skin for strength and durability. Behind that is a PVC thermal brick layer. The third layer combines high-density XPS insulation with the aluminum alloy frame structure. The fourth layer is an environmentally friendly interior finish panel made from 3mm real wood laminated board. The aluminum alloy frame provides structural strength, while the aluminum sandwich composite panels help control weight. That gives you more interior room, better protection from the weather, and a quieter, more solid feeling inside. The TP10 is designed to fit most 5 to 5.5 foot truck beds. We leave space for the factory tailgate area, so there's no need to modify your truck. If your truck bed is longer, we can also extend the camper platform to suit your vehicle. Now let's start at the rear of the driver's side and walk around the camper.
Behind this door is an exterior electrical distribution box. It gives you access to the main electrical control switches, so you can control or shut down electrical equipment from outside the camper. The switches are protected by a clear acrylic cover. At the bottom of the compartment is a controller for the optional electric camper jacks. The base version comes with mechanical camper jacks, so it won't have this electric control unit. Below the electric compartment, we have an exterior power outlet and charging port. Up above, there are two exterior lights. The Cabover is also equipped with the optional 180-degree electric awning. It creates a covered outdoor area where you can sit, cook, relax, or stay out of the sun and the lightning. At the front of the driver's side, you can see one of the optional exterior cameras. The TP10 second generation can be equipped with 4 cameras around the camper. The camera feed is shown on a monitor's inside, making it easier to check the area around the camper when you are parked or camping. Now, let's look at the Cabover section. This area can be equipped with an optional custom-shaped molded from cab together with a pop-up roof section above the bed. If you choose not to add the pop-up option, the Cabover front will remain smooth and clean without any additional shaping. Now, we are on the passenger side. Here is the freshwater fill port. The exterior mounting area can be used to mount a skateboard. Behind this small access door is the standard gas water heater. A quick connect water tap can also be installed here, providing convenient access to hot water outside the camper. Just beside it is the outdoor shower head. It blows hot and cold water, so you can take a quick outdoor shower or clean other equipment. This side has 2 optional exterior speakers. You can play music outside while you are relaxing under the awning. Enjoy some quiet time at camp. The Pro version includes a 5 kW diesel heater mounted in the lower section, with an exhaust system insulated for added safety and heat protection. Behind this larger door is a 25-liter diesel tank for the heater. This compartment can also accommodate a 20-pound propane cylinder and includes a dedicated ventilation opening. The diesel filter is located towards the rear, so you can fill the heater tank from outside without opening the door. Because the camper covers the truck's original tail lights, the TP10 includes rear tail lights and the license plate mounting brackets at the back. We also provide a wiring harness connection points so you can connect the camper lights to your truck's lighting system. This area can be equipped with an optional rear MOLLE kit. The kit includes 2 large MOLLE panels and 2 aluminum boxes. The MOLLE panel provides mounting space for outdoor gear and accessories, while the aluminum toe boxes are useful for mud shoes, tools, recovery gear, or anything you don't want to bring into the living area. An optional aluminum rear leader is also optional, giving you easily access to the roof. On the roof, the Pro version comes standard with 600 watts of solar panels. You can also add the optional roof flat kit, which includes longitudinal roof luggage rail on both sides, 5 adjustable crossbar that can be reposited or removed as needed, a front spoiler and a rear wing, and a front MOLLE panel mounted ahead of the Cabover section. The rear wing can also help act as a drainage to direct water away from the rear entrance area. The rear entrance uses a double door design. When you want more airflow, you can leave an outer door open and uses a separate screen door inside. Now let's step inside. Let's start with the kitchen. Here we have a flush mount sink, folding faucet, and stove. When the cover is closed, the countertop stays clean and flat, providing more usable space for food preparation and cooking. The kitchen sink joins into its own grey water tank. The TP10 second generation has 2 separate grey water tanks with a combined capacity of 60 liters, one below the kitchen and another below the bathroom. Under the sink are 2 storage compartments for kitchen paper towels, seasonings, or other kitchen essentials. Above the kitchen is another swing-up window, bringing natural light and ventilation while you cook. On the left side, there is a power outlet, the control panel for the gas water heater, and a foldable shelf. The countertop is large enough for you to place a coffee machine or any AC-powered appliance. Above the entrance door, we have the main control and entertainment areas. The first screen is for the optional full camera monitoring system. Next is the entertainment screen. To play music, simply connect your phone via Bluetooth. Next to the screen are 2 toggle switches that let you choose whether the audio plays through the interior speakers or the exterior speakers. On the Pro version, there is also a control switch for the electric awning. And this is the main electric control panel. This camper is equipped with the optional upgrade electric system. It includes a Suntower 3000 watt inverter charger and an integrated smart control panel. From this screen, you can monitor flash water and grey water tank levels, manage AC functions, control 12-volt DC systems such as the lights, heater, and water pump, view battery state of the charger and the power usage, and adjust the screen brightness and the language settings. The standard electrical system uses a mechanical switch panel with a water level indicators and a battery monitor, inverter controls, lighting switches, and a water pump switch.
At the rear of the passenger side is the wet bath.
The shower area measures around 900 by 900 millimeters, providing enough room for daily use, while keeping the campers compact and efficient. It includes a sink and a faucet with hot and cold water. The faucet is also connected to the shower head, so the same area works as a full indoor shower. Under the sink is a storage cabinet and access to the plumbing for inspection or maintenance. The lower storage area comes standard with trash bin, a tissue holder, and additional storage compartments. Inside the shower area, you can choose between a portable toilet, a casual toilet, or a head-ceiling toilet, depending on your cabin style. Above the sink is a mirrored cabinet for toiletries, makeup, or skincare products. The mirror has built-in LED lighting, and let's be honest, your girlfriend is definitely going to love it. There's also a standard power outlet for a hair dryer, overhead storage, and a folding clothes drying rack. The roof fan has both exhaust and intake modes, helping remove moisture or bring fresh air into the bathroom.
Moving forward, we have a standard 90-liter refrigerator included with the Pro version.
It features 2 separate compartments, and each zone can be adjusted independently to different temperatures. That gives you more flexibility for storing drinks, fresh food, frozen items, and ingredients for a short outdoor trip.
Below the refrigerator is an optional compact microwave.
This gives you another convenient way to quickly reheat or prepare food without using the gas cooktop.
In the center is the dinette area.
The seat cushions use 10 cm thick high-density foam, and every seating position includes a backrest for added comfort. On this demo unit, the driver's side bench is 1,100 mm wide, and the passenger side bench is 860 mm wide. The dinette can comfortably seat 4 adults. If your truck is longer, you can gain even more seating space in this area.
The table uses a leg table system,
allowing you to easily adjust its position for dining, working on a laptop, playing games, or relaxing with friends. When you need more open space, the tabletop can be removed or swung out of the way.
This demo unit's dinette does not cover into a bed. However, if you would like a second sleeping area, we can add additional infill panels here to create a second bed measuring 1,100 by 2,000 millimeters.
The sofa seating creates a comfortable place to spend time indoors when the weather isn't great outside. Overhead, this unit is equipped with an optional dimmable ceiling light. The light color and the flashing modes can be adjusted to create different interior modes. In front of the ceiling light is the air conditioner. The Pro version comes standard with a 12-volt cooling-only air conditioner, and you can also upgrade the premier brands such like Dinette. Both sides of the dinette have swing-up window and overhead cabinet, giving you natural light, airflow, and additional storage. Each window is equipped with both a mosquito screen and a blackout shade. Below the transverse dinette seating is a fresh water tank.
Now we are at the Cabover bed.
The bed measures about 2 meters long by 1.6 meters wide, around 79 by 63 inches. It provides enough sleeping space for 2 adults.
At the front is the optional Cabover bed pop-up.
When you are parked at cab, you can open it to create more headroom, improve ventilation, and enjoy a wider view from the bed area. The Cabover bed pop-up features 3 windows. Each window uses a 3-layer design with a mosquito screen, a clear TPU layer, and a blackout layer, allowing you to adjust the ventilation, visibility, and the privacy based on the conditions outside. With the pop-up open, you can sit upright much more comfortably while relaxing in bed.
On both sides of the bed, you can add custom LED nameplate to create more interior mode lighting. There are also built-in speakers, flexible reading lights, power outlet, and storage space each side. So that's the Qian Camper TP10 second generation. It's a full hard-side sliding camper built for people who want more living space, more storage space, a rear kitchen, an indoor shower, comfortable seating, and a large bed, all in one complete truck camper.
The aluminum alloy frame and 4-layer wall constructions with aluminum sandwich composite panels create a solid body that's designed for comfort in changing weather. And because the camper can be figured with different power systems, solar, electric jacks, and awning, heating, air conditioning, cameras, audio, and exterior storage, you can build it around the way you actually travel.
Just remember that it's a high specifications demo build, so some of the features shown in this video are optional. If you have questions about fitment, standard equipment, optional features, pricing, or shipping, leave a comment below or contact our sales team through qiancamper.com. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the road. Bye!